हेलो फ्रेंड्स, आज की इस वीडियो में हम बात करेंगे ऐसे ऑन रोल ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर। तो दोस्तों, अगर आपने अभी तक इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो प्लीज़ अब जल्दी से इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें और साथ ही बेल आइकॉन बटन को भी प्रेस कर दें। It seems doubtful that anyone would possibly disagree with the fact that it is hard to imagine a day without a newspaper. Newspapers have been established as the most frequent and the easiest source of information, education and entertainment. Behind any doubt, the fame and the place of newspapers has increased manifold in recent years. The importance of newspapers can be judged from the simple fact that all and sundry read and feel attracted to newspapers. A newspaper offers a number of advantages. It keeps us informed about all the affairs of human life, such as the current affairs, political affairs, social affairs, economic affairs and sports affairs of the whole globe. It makes us realize that we are living in a dynamic world. A newspaper is also a source of entertainment. Newspapers have many roles. The most significant role of a newspaper is that can be a window to the world. It brings all the possible news of the whole globe to us. We can know about the world by just keeping an eye on the newspapers. World trends of politics, business, peace and more, education, social, economic and entertainment can be seen through a newspaper. Educated community has made newspaper the part and parcel of everyday activity. They cannot live without reading newspapers. It seems doubtful that anyone would possibly disagree with the fact that it is hard to imagine a day without a newspaper. Newspapers have been established as the most frequent and the easiest source of information, education and entertainment. Academic role of newspaper is quite essential. For a student, newspapers serve the purpose of a general knowledge book. Most of our competitive exam and interview questions are newspaper based. तो दोस्तों, ये था रोल ऑफ न्यूज़पेपर इंग्लिश ऐसे। दोस्तों, अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आया हो तो प्लीज़ आप इस वीडियो को लाइक ज़रूर करें, इस वीडियो को शेयर करें। आप इस वीडियो को फेसबुक, व्हाट्सएप के तहत शेयर कर सकते हैं, अपने दोस्तों को इस चैनल के बारे में बता सकते हैं। अगर आप इंटरेस्टेड हैं ऐसी और वीडियोज़ देखने में तो प्लीज़ आप इस चैनल को सब्सक्राइब कर लें। इस वीडियो को देखने के लिए आपका बहुत शुक्रिया। थैंक यू।